I kind of grew up a lot with my grandparents because they're like at an older age. I spend a lot of time at the hospital, what's happening with my grandparents. I wanted to know about this process of aging and disease. And so I was kind of really fascinated with science at that point. In 2017, I joined Build Poder, which is a National Institute of Health funded program for people that are interested in STEM. And they just basically fund you through the rest of your college, and they pair you up with a mentor. So I worked with Dr. Stephen Chung. So what we did in his lab is we created like this first ever Spanish video that is now being played at St. Francis Medical Center. It's filled with testimonials of people of the Latino community that have benefited from the use of hospice care. And with that implementation of that video, we saw a vast increase in hospice care in the Latino community. I was just really happy. I was really elated to know that one of my professors was really fighting for social justice, and he was really fighting to have this cultural competence in healthcare. That was really my driving force to one day be able to serve like underserved communities through evidence-based approaches like my professor was doing. I lost my grandmother last year, and I also lost my grandfather recently. After losing like my grandfather to COVID, felt almost like that reaffirms that I am doing the right path and that I do want to be a physician scientist where I can really look into, these type of new diseases, because it's not just COVID-19 that we're gonna have to face. My family has been my biggest motivation. I feel that with my career and what I plan to pursue, I want to do better for my community, and I want to improve, I guess, the outcomes for my community.